Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What's going on, guys? Ray here from Rayed Up Adventures, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to be unboxing and looking at some travel fishing gear. I'm always on the quest to learn new things in my outdoor pursuit, and I've become quite obsessive with fishing in the last few months. And if you see me out in the public, you'll notice that I have a little backpack on, and there's always something poking out. That's a fishing rod. I don't leave the house without my fishing rod anymore. So that's why I'm excited for this video, because I get to unbox something that I've been looking forward to for a long time. And that is the L.L.Bean Angler's Travel Case, among other fishing travel gear. And I'm going to unbox that now, and we're going to see if we can come up with the ultimate travel fishing gear package. So let's get unboxing. Let's cut a few things. Let's get rid of this. Oh man, this is the one that I've been waiting for so long. So I've been back and forth with L.L.Bean through emails. They're an American company, and I've been trying to get one of these for quite a few months, and they've been really good. And while I've been waiting, I've read the biography of the founder of the company, and it inspired me a lot. Dropping stuff here. So this is it. This is the centerpiece of my travel fishing gear. Beautiful case. Got a few compartments here. They're all adjustable. Got a nice little case here that zips. You can have a little camera in there, whatever is valuable in here. Little padded case. It can also be adjusted and moved. Got a nice shoulder strap. Got some zip pockets up here for line and lures. More line sort of casing here. And then this is where your rods will be sitting. This long compartment here. It's nice and strong, sturdy, compact. You can sling it over your back. Wherever you're going, you can have all your fishing gear with you. So whether I'm going on a jet, where I'm going on a cruise ship, or I'm going just to the local beach down the road, I know that I've got all my fishing gear laid out in here, and all I have to do is just grab the bag and go. So that's the idea of this. Now I'm going to just showcase all the gear that I want to put inside of this bag, and we'll do a bit of an unboxing. I'll show you my 3 new rods. There's a variant of 3 going from small to bigger. They're all travel rods, so they're made to fit in here. So there's 3-piece and 4-piece rods, all suited for this bag. And then this is also the place where you'd be storing the reels. They fit in nicely here. So let's unbox a bit of the other things. And over here I've got a Sedona 2500 reel, which will go with the smaller rod that I'll be unboxing in a second. Got a few of my favourite lures, the Halco twisties. Then this one I'm excited about, because this is replacing my everyday rod, the one that I throw in the car. This is the travel version of the one that it's been replaced by. The Shimano Radar Travel 703 Broom Spin rod. It's a 7-foot 3-piece rod. She's rated to lure weight 3 to 10 grams and line weight 2 to 4 kilograms.